Morning, my name is Sergeant Jason Galaviz with Texas DPS Media Communications. I'm going to give you a briefing on what occurred earlier today. It's officer-involved shooting. At approximately 6:30 a.m. today, Texas Department of Public Safety troopers were notified of a stolen Fort Worth Fire EMS ambulance traveling southbound on Interstate 35 in Williamson County. DPS troopers located the ambulance and attempted to conduct a traffic stop. When troopers activated their emergency lights, the driver refused to stop and began actively evading law enforcement. As the ambulance continued southbound on Interstate 35 around US 290 area in Austin, the driver began intentionally ramming multiple civilian vehicles. Troopers did attempt to pit the ambulance, but those attempts were unsuccessful. The ambulance continued to ram vehicles as it began to travel onto the upper deck of Interstate 35. A DPS trooper then discharged their duty firearm, striking the suspect. The suspect was pronounced deceased at the scene. The suspect's identity is not being released at the time. Texas Rangers are on scene and are actively investigating the officer-involved shooting. This remains an active and ongoing investigation. This information we're providing to you is preliminary, and it may change as investigators continue to gather and verify additional details. We will provide updates as additional information becomes available. Interstate 35 upper deck southbound will remain closed until the investigation is complete. We encourage motorists to seek additional routes. Thank you.
Sorry, just because of the horn, I couldn't hear what you said about the identity of the subject.
The identity of the suspect is not being released.
Can you confirm if it was from Fort Worth, the ambulance stolen?
The ambulance is from Fort Worth, correct.